Hello viewers, how are you? In this video, I will tell you about Baby Day Outcast from 1994 to 2021. Then and now, Clara Flynn Boyle. Then 1994, now 2021. Joe Mantegna. Then 1994, now 2021. Fred Thompson. Then 1994, now died in 2015. Joy Pantoliano. Then 1994, now 2021. Cynthia Nixon. Then 1994, now 2021. Brian Haley. Then 1994, now 2021. Anna Thompson. Then 1994, now 2021. Neil Flynn. Then 1994, now 2021. Matthew Glave. Then 1994, now 2021. John Neville. Then 1994, now died in 2011. Eddie Bracken. Then 1994, now died in 2002. Adam Robert Wharton. Then 1994, now 2021. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Truth of the World.